Hello and a very warm welcome to a new video here on my channel here at commaik. Are you looking for the right pool robot for your pool? A pool robot that automatically scans the floor for dirt? A pool robot that can clean stairs and platforms on its own? One that can accurately clean the waterline along the sides? A pool robot that does the work for you, keeping your pool clean all the time? Then the Aiper Scuba V3 could be the right choice for you. I was provided with this pool robot and I'm going to test it extensively in this video. I'll show you how to set up this robot in the app, what functions the app offers, and beyond that I will of course test the device thoroughly here live in my pool. And if you're interested in that, definitely stay tuned, because that's exactly what this video is about. The Aiper Scuba V3 is a premium class pool robot. In addition to sophisticated software, many app functions, and AI integrations, the hardware also aims to impress. And it certainly does. The 8.2 kilogram pool robot has a primary roller at the front with these rubber lips and a second brush at the rear. Behind the filter there's another rubber lip that helps the filter suck in the dirt. The dirt is caught in the filter basket at the back of the robot. It can be easily removed and cleaned. And the special thing about this filter is that besides the standard 180 micron mesh filter, you also have a fine filter to significantly improve the water quality. There is a camera at the front of the robot. With this camera, the robot can actually see underwater. The data is processed in the device and is not uploaded. And with the camera, the robot detects the dirt, the AI interprets it all, and the robot moves specifically towards the dirt, collects it and keeps it safely in the filter. It does this not only during the day, but theoretically also at night, because the robot has 2 LED headlights and can also drive at night. Whether it all really works like that, I will of course still test. You don't get that much in terms of accessories. For one, you have a printed manual included in the box, a buoyancy aid in case the robot can't manage the waterline on your smooth walls, and the charging station with its own power supply. You also get a hook with it to be able to lift the robot out of the water if necessary. But you usually don't need that because this robot has a coming home function. This means that after the robot has finished its work, it automatically comes back up to the surface, drives to the edge of the pool, notifies you via your app, and you just have to take it out of the water. Rinse the filter with a garden hose, and then you take the robot and charge it wirelessly, simply in the corresponding charging station. That definitely sounds convincing, and I want to look into that now by first setting up the robot in the app. How does that work? Relatively simple. First, you need the Aiper app. I'll put the corresponding links for Android and iOS under the video for you, and then you can easily install the robot by taking a photo of the QR code on the underside of the filter inlet. Let me show you. I've already downloaded the app to my phone and also created an account with Aiper. All I have to do is click the Add Device button and the device will automatically. I search for the robot via Bluetooth. The robot must of course be switched on, and in just a short moment my phone is able to find the robot. I tap on the device and then I simply need to enter my Wi-Fi access data to continue. I deliberately haven't cleaned my pool for the last few days, and as you can see, quite a bit of dirt has accumulated. So it's the perfect scenario to test the Aiper Scuba V3. In the app I can see that I have a variety of different options available to try it out right now. So what I'll do is select the automatic mode, which is designed to make things easier, and then I'll click on the start button. After that, all I need to do is simply place the robot gently into the water. I'll go ahead and do that now. As soon as I put it in, the robot begins to sink slowly down to the bottom, just as expected. And after just a short while, the robot automatically begins cleaning the pool all on its own, without any need for me to do anything. Once it's placed in the water, it gets right to work, moving around and starting to clean up the pool floor and the sides. The robot has now been in the water for about 5 minutes, which really isn't a long time when you think about how much dirt there was to start with. I have to say, after watching it for these 5 minutes, the results are already quite impressive. The large patches of dirt that were there before are now gone, and it's already made its way all over the sides of the pool and along the bottom, making sure to cover a lot of ground. The water is already looking clearer, and the pool as a whole looks much better than it did just a few minutes ago. That's even though I couldn't see a real system. It doesn't follow any lines or the chaos principle, but instead, using the camera-based AI function, it specifically looks for dirt, circles the area broadly, then gets smaller and smaller, reliably sucking the dirt into the filter. What I particularly like is the fact that it doesn't stir up the dirt on the bottom, spreading it everywhere in the water, so I'd have to get it out with the skimmer again. The brushes are designed so that the dirt is sucked down nicely, as you can hopefully see now, and then remains safely in the filter. The Aiper Scuba V3 is currently one of the most technically interesting cordless pool robots on the market. Mainly because Aiper doesn't just rely on classic cleaning here, but focuses heavily on intelligent navigation and everyday convenience. The centerpiece is the so-called AI Navium system in combination with VisionPath. The robot uses various sensors and visual recognition to actively analyze the pool and plan more efficient cleaning routes. Unlike many classic pool robots that drive through the pool rather randomly, the Scuba V3 tries to drive in specifically structured paths, detect obstacles, and prioritize visible dirt. The goal is to achieve the most complete cleaning possible without unnecessary overlapping paths. According to the manufacturer, the suction power is around 18,000 liters per hour or 4,800 gallons per hour. Together with the two active brushes at the front and back, the robot can not only pick up coarse dirt like leaves or small stones, but also reliably loosen and vacuum up finer particles. Particularly interesting is the multi-stage MicroMesh filter system. The main filter operates with a filter size of about 180 microns and picks up larger debris. In addition, an ultrafine filter layer of about 3 microns is used. As a result, the Scuba V3 filters not only visible dirt, but also fine dust, pollen, sand, or even small algae residues from the water. Especially in spring or after bad weather, this makes a significant difference in practice. The robot cleans not only the floor, but also the walls and the entire waterline. For the waterline, Aiper uses the so-called jet assist system. In this process, the robot is guided specifically horizontally along the waterline to thoroughly clean exactly that area where grease deposits, pollen, or light dirt often accumulate. Many cheaper devices often touch the waterline only briefly or rather randomly. Here, the Scuba V3 works much more purposefully. The power supply is also clearly designed for convenience. The Scuba V3 is completely cordless and is charged via a wireless dock. The battery life is up to 180 minutes in standard mode, and in eco mode even up to 210 minutes. This makes the robot easily suitable for larger pools up to about 150 square meters. Overall, you can clearly tell with the Scuba V3 that Aiper didn't just want to build a powerful pool robot here, but a system that's as convenient and intelligent as possible for everyday use. The Aiper Scuba V3 has been in the pool here for a good 45 minutes now. First, it specifically searched for and vacuumed up the coarse dirt. Then it cleaned the entire floor in transverse paths with a slight overlap and has now moved on to vacuuming or cleaning the entire floor once more in longitudinal paths. So the floor is cleaned at least twice in total, in addition to those coarse dirt detections. Overall, I have to say the result already looks very, very good. The floor has become really very clean. There are some spots like back there in the corner where the dirt collects. The robot didn't reach the corner in either the transverse or longitudinal path, but those are typical problem zones that every robot has had so far. Feel free to let me know in the comments how it looks for you. Do you have zones like that where the robot can't reach, where you always have to brush again by hand? I'd just be interested to know. Now that the robot has cleared the pool of coarse dirt, and has traveled lengthwise, crosswise and lengthwise again. Once the robot is turned on, it now automatically begins cleaning the waterline of the pool. It starts by moving up the side, making its way along the edge to reach the waterline area. As it climbs, the robot uses its front brush to carefully and thoroughly scrub the waterline, making sure to remove any dirt or buildup that might be stuck there. The robot continues this cleaning motion, moving along the entire perimeter of the pool to ensure that every section of the waterline is cleaned evenly and thoroughly. After the robot has finished its cleaning routine and completed scrubbing the waterline, I received a notification on my phone letting me know that the cleaning was finished and the pool was ready for use. And the robot is now waiting at the water's surface to be removed. It stays in this position for 10 minutes. If it's not taken out during this time, it automatically sinks back to the bottom and shuts off. Then you'll definitely need this tool. The great thing about this robot is you don't need a cable to charge it. It's enough to just place the robot on the charging station and that's it. Let's take a look inside the filter and you'll see quite a bit got caught. I can now simply rinse both filters with the garden hose under running water. Importantly for my test, I used both filters. This fine filter isn't actually suitable for the type of dirt I had in the pool. Basically, if you have extremely heavy dirt, you should first let the robot run with only this coarse 180 filter. and then let it run a second time with the fine filter. The Aiper Scuba V3 can clean for 180 minutes straight. In eco mode, when it lowers the power slightly, it even manages 210 minutes. After that, it definitely has to go back to its charging station and be recharged for about 5 hours. The result for my pool after 3 hours of total floor cleaning, wall cleaning and waterline cleaning is definitely impressive. The dirt you saw at the beginning is completely gone, and you saw in the filter what accumulated there. So that definitely convinces me the cleaning performance is top-notch, you really can't complain. And the feature the robot offers with this AI-supported search for individual dirt spots in the water, it works. It absolutely convinced me. What doesn't work quite as well are the platform and the stairs. It approached the platform once, cleaned it, but not completely. And as for the stairs, I have to say it just couldn't manage them. It drove up the slope, but due to its length and its width, it doesn't even have the chance to clean my steps here accurately. The steps are 25 centimeters wide, and you can see the robot is definitely wider. You should definitely take that into account when buying. Or you do it like I do, just use the pool broom to sweep the dirt into the pool and then let the robot vacuum it up on the large surface. By the way, you have a few additional settings in the app. Among other things, you can, for example, create an AI-supported weather-dependent schedule. This means that the robot, depending on the environment, your pool, and your usage habits, sets off on its own to clean the pool. How all of this works, I won't be showing you in this video, maybe in a later one. Feel free to leave a comment if you're interested in that, and write to me about what I should go into more detail on in the next video, but what I still want to show you are the functions you can control without the app. Because always running around the pool with your phone does have its risks. You can of course also fully control the robot with this single button. Press and hold it and you'll turn it on. And after that you can switch between wall cleaning, full cleaning, waterline cleaning and floor cleaning. Just click it, throw the robot into the water and the job is done. Well, what do you think of the robot? What's your feedback? What interests you? What convinces you? What maybe doesn't convince you? Feel free to leave a comment under this video. Write to me what you like. Take a look at the quiz I'm putting up about it. And if you want to know how much this thing actually costs, what discounts are currently available, then also check the description below the video. There I link the promo codes or the product links to the shop, and you can check right away if it's for you. If my video helped you with your decision making, feel free to leave a like, subscribe to my channel for many more videos, and feel free to write some feedback under this video. Thank you for watching, and I'm already looking forward to the next video with you. Take care. Until then, bye.